guys, so today I'm going to do an activewear brand haul and review. I got some clothes in from this company called Yeoreo. I'm not really sure how to say it, but I like Yeoreo because it reminds me of Oreos. Anyways, number one thing that I noticed when I got this package is how fun it is. I have actually never received such a shiny package, so I like that. Let's just go piece by piece. We'll look through. I got some kind of dark red leggings. I'm gonna pull them all out. I'm gonna try them all on. I like the sports bras a lot because they're a little bit sexier, you know. I'm in athletic clothes all day long and a lot of the sports bras just kind of flatten me. These are cute, great spring wear color, a nice light purple. And then I also went with the black V halter sports bra. So now let's try them on. We have got some Scrunch butt leggings on. I'm actually a big fan of these. I tested out. They're squat proof. The other thing I really like about this is I am 5'4". I often find that leggings have a lot of extra material at the bottom for me, and these fit pretty perfectly. I would say that they have a bit of tummy control, but not to the extreme. So if it's that time of the month, this wouldn't be my choice legging wise, but if I'm feeling good, it certainly would be. So these are a lilac, the Amplify leggings in small. Oh, I'm holding the mic because I figured if I like put it on, you couldn't see the whole situation. And this is their Bella bra in gray, which I love. And like I said, I really liked that. Their stuff was a little sexier. I definitely feel supported here. I mean, I know that there's like cleavage and stuff, but I feel like, maybe not running, but I feel like I could do even like jumping jacks in this. And then I'm loving the Criss-Cross back. Boom, boom, boom. And this is also a small. So these are both size small. This is the Bella bra in black, and these are the Amplify Scrunch butt leggings in scarlet. Again, for me, my height is just kind of the perfect length, 5'4". So I like that. Usually there's just so much extra fabric for me at the bottom. And yeah, I really like this color. I don't have any leggings in this color. Oh, maybe I should hold the mic up here. Hopefully you've been able to hear me. This is how it's going today. It's Los Angeles and it's like 40 degrees and it's like almost spring break. It should be 75 and not raining. And then, you know, honestly, I would order these bras in every single color. They're super comfortable. They have enough support and they make you look good. So we like a little sex appeal, you know, when we're in sports clothes all day. Well, maybe not while I'm working. Usually I like cover it all up, but you know, for the husband, when I get home, I feel a lot cuter like this. Well guys, this is my review of Yeoreo. In my honest opinion, the sports bras, I'd buy them in every single color, and I do really like the leggings, but I am saying the sports bras are definitely my number one. And yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm gonna tag the links and a discount code for you. Mwah! Bye guys.